Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Broker to MetaTrader 5. Keep watching the video till the end. To connect Broker to MetaTrader 5, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 5 application. The home page of MetaTrader 5 application will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on Manage Accounts. On the next page, tap on plus icon and click on Login to an existing account. Enter the credentials, that is your login details, and tap on Login. In case if you want to save your password next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Save Password. This is how you can connect Broker to MetaTrader 5 application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.